We are here celebrating our 1,000th charger installed across the state using Driving PA Forward dollars. It's important to have the charging infrastructure for electric vehicles because as we see more electric vehicles being bought, we're seeing the air quality improvements from that. We're seeing the environmental improvements from that. We're seeing the health benefits of that in terms of reduced nitrogen oxide emissions, reduced particulate matter being emitted as cars drive up and down the road. So in funding charging stations across the state, you have the opportunity from Allegheny County to Wyoming County to be able to take your electric vehicle and find a place to charge it. And we're seeing the opportunity for electric vehicles be embraced by everyone from homeowners to fleet managers with municipalities. Bus companies are starting to use it. People who are buying the electric vehicles want to know that they can get a charge as they're out and about running errands or traveling. So the more of these that we get in place, the better confidence people have, and the more of those vehicles that we'll have, the better air quality we'll have.
Developing this project, we looked at different amenities that we wanted to supply to the community. One of them being the EV chargers. There was grant money available, which made it very easy for us to make the decision to implement these here at the site. It covered more than half the cost, so it was a great opportunity. We also were the first charging stations in Camp Hill, which gave us a first, which was nice.
There's absolutely more customers coming in. There's more people who are using the chargers. So because of that, we're seeing definitely an uptick in the number of customers that are coming in who are using the chargers. So it's been good for our business.